South Korea saw over 400,000 new infections on Wednesday, and although the country is seeing a gradual decline, authorities remain on alert as severe cases hit an all-time high. The government is, however, set to announce new social distancing rules, possibly easing the current restrictions. Choi Min-jung with the details.
South Korea on Wednesday confirmed 424,641 new cases of COVID-19. It's a jump of 77,000 cases from the previous day, but cases dropped by 66,000 en week. The number of patients in critical condition hit an all-time high of 1,301. There were 432 more deaths. Despite infections declining slowly, authorities continue to underline that the country must remain vigilant.
People are letting their guards down, knowing that the Omicron variant has a low fatality rate. However, if you look at the figures, deaths are currently concentrated among the elderly. Taking this into account, Omicron is still a dire matter.
Kim, however, also gave reassurances that Korea's fatality rate is much lower than countries with a similar number of cases, thanks to the public's efforts. Meanwhile, starting Wednesday, local clinics and hospitals can also treat COVID-19 patients face-to-face, increasing access to medical facilities for those infected. Previously, outpatient treatment was mainly limited to medical centers specializing in respiratory diseases. People can now see doctors after making reservations, and this is allowed even if they are under quarantine. However, people must take note that any medication they need has to be picked up by someone who doesn't have COVID-19. Beginning Thursday, children aged 5 to 11 will be able to get vaccinated against COVID-19. Around 1,200 medical centers nationwide will be providing Pfizer shots for young children. Health authorities are strongly advising that children at high risk, including those who are obese or have weakened immune systems, get inoculated. Children are required to get 2 shots with an interval of 8 weeks. Authorities are also considering relaxing current social distancing rules with revisions to be announced Friday. Currently, gatherings of up to 8 people are allowed, and most businesses must close by 11 p.m. The changes are likely to include expanding the social gathering cap to 10 people and extending business hours to midnight. The revisions are set to be implemented next week. Choi Min-jung, Arirang News.